What's up, guys? My name is Serge. If you're new here, go ahead, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and today I'm actually going to go through and show you guys how to create a Facebook page for your business. And then in the next video, I will show you guys how to go on Business Manager and set up your guys' Facebook page and your ad account for your business. So let's go ahead and jump straight into it.
First thing you want to do is come to your personal home page, which is where I'm at right here, as you can see. And I'm going to click over here in this right hand corner. If you guys follow my right here, my mouse, you can see that I will come down and I will create a page, right? Once you come here, you can choose whether a business or a brand or a community or public figure. Depending on what it is that you guys want to create a page, you can almost create a page for anything. So then you want to click on Get Started. Once you're here, name your page, right? So the page is usually going to be the business name or yourself if you're building a brand. So let's just go business test. Okay, that's what I'm going to name my business. I'm going to choose a category. So let's say, you can go through here, Asian restaurant, retirement assisted living facility, whatever it is, you just kind of go through and kind of think of a category. Let's do gas station. Okay, you're gonna then put an address here. I'm just gonna pick some random address that I know. Okay, because you will need an address. So you guys can click here, this option. If not, you can also put your phone number if you want. Okay, so I had already done this, but let's just do 2 because I will delete this page. So then you come here and you add a profile picture of your business. It could usually be your logo. If it's for you, you can put your face, whatever it is, right? So usually this is your profile picture. Everybody knows what that is. A cover photo, usually it's something of your business. If it's not your logo, it's probably like your house, your building, or whatever the case could be. I would put there, right? So skip that. So now, you guys, let's click skip. All right, so now it's going to create the business page for me, and it will show up any moment now. There it is. All right, so business test 2. And then you invite all your friends just to make your page more legit. People will like that. So if we click on that. And so the first thing I would recommend you doing once you have your cover art here and then your profile picture is go down here and click on See All Page Tips. Okay, Facebook will give you guys some tips to make your Facebook page obviously more successful, more legit. So create button, I'll show you guys where to go, but you can also click there and get that going. So if you create button, this is what will come up. If you're a salon or some type of massage part, you could click this so they can book with you. If you want them to contact you, these are the different options for them to contact you. If you want them to learn more about your business, you can have like a website, learn more, and then you can connect your website to that. Shop or donate. And then if you have an app that you want them to use or a game you want them to play, that's what else I'll click, okay? So cancel that. You can add your phone number for your business. I would highly recommend that because you want people to call you, obviously, so you can get customers. Let them know when you're open so that they can know when to call you. Know friends who might like your page, and then create a group. Okay, so these are just a few tips Facebook gives to make your page more successful. Secondly, you want to come over here to the left-hand side. Okay, so you got all kinds of things here. Services, reviews, shop. You can custom create each one of these, right? You can go here, you click on these reviews, no ratings yet, but once you start getting reviews, that's where you can look at them. You can do setup shop, showcase your products, make it easy to buy from you, get paid. Like I was showing you guys before, you can go through here, and on this left-hand side, you can click all of these to just customize each one of these. So another thing I want to show is up here. So when you click on page, it's going to show the home screen for your page, right? If you go to inbox, this will take you to your messenger. You click on inbox. It'll take you to your messenger for your thing. So as you can see, and then you go to notifications. This will show you the notifications for your page. So on and so forth. Insights will show you guys analytics for your page. So if you go here, this is where you'll see all your analytics. There won't be any analytics for a little bit because it'll take Facebook a couple days to really get everything, and then so your blue here is for your organic and then paid traffic, so your ads. Export data, you can do that as well. So this is a really cool page to come see. This is a really cool page to look at because it will show you how your business is doing, how people are engaging with you. It's a good thing to keep in mind. Publishing, okay, so you got your ad center. You got all your ads. Obviously, there's nothing here. Audiences, right? So you go there. Let's do publishing too. So these are just tools, right? So you can go through here. Creator Studio is kind of the cool thing. If you got a YouTube channel for your business, this is where you'd want to come post all those things. You can also post jobs here. You can do all kinds of stuff here. So that's cool. Then you got your settings, right? This is where you're going to do everything. I mean, you go through here and you can just really, if you have certain things, certain questions, you can go through here and set all of this up. So you can have a response assistant who will message people back with specific messages you want them to. Appointment messaging, right? Just follow up, automatic. You can turn all that on. Page info. This is where you can come and put all your info in regarding your business, etc. So it's really, really neat. And Facebook does this and really, you got your templates here. I wouldn't worry about this one too much. Another one I would actually worry about or actually really look into is this page roles, especially if you have an agency running ads for you, you might have to come in here and accept them to have access to your page and then also for your ad. And then you got people on other pages, authorizations. You got Instagram if you want to connect it. You just log in and create your Instagram. Make sure it's all. And then you got featured. Right, so different things. Cross-posting is, pages you want to share with and cross-post with, and which page you allow to, share your page. And then you got your support. And then that is pretty much for settings. This is help. This is for any questions you guys may have. Just click on it, and Facebook is really good about receiving any of your help. I know I had some issues with one of my pages and they were really good. So anyhow, guys, if you click here on add button, this takes you to the same thing, but this is where you can, like I showed before, get all this going. You can then, that is pretty much, and then you can start adding and doing all kinds of stuff here. So that is pretty much how you guys create a Facebook business page. And then in the next video, I will show you guys how to create Business Manager to start running ads and getting all that started for your business. Thank you, guys.
So guys, that is pretty much how you set up a Facebook page. In the next video, I will go ahead and I will show you guys how to set up the Business Manager aspect of your Facebook page, and then we can go ahead and start creating ads for your business and showing you guys how to do that. Then we can start seeing progress and you guys can start getting more value for your business. And if you guys like this kind of content, go ahead, give a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. And I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye.